Hi, Sister Red. Kind-hearted? Check. Wonderful? Check. Loving? Check. Caring? Check. Sexy? Check na check. I'm thankful and happy na nagkaroon ako ng kapatid na katulad mo. I miss you. Nakakamiss ka kasi walang nangaasar, walang nangungulit sa akin. Nabawasan yung makulit sa bahay. Si Princess na lang. Manang-mana talaga sa'yo yung Junakis mo. Super kulit. Count your life by blessing, not years. Count your age by friends, not numbers. Happy birthday, Sister Ed. I love you. God bless you. Mag-ingat kayong dalawa ni Kuya dyan. Happy birthday, happy birthday.